To optimize the performance of your gym floor cover and to help prevent damage to the gym floor, thoroughly clean your floor according to the floor manufacturer's recommendations prior to deployment to remove any loose dirt and debris. For safety purposes, always unload the top core first and make sure that the easy winding handle is securely fastened to the core with the safety locking pin in place before winding begins. The safety locking pins preventing the cores from spinning will need to be removed before deployment of the cover can begin. To start, lock all 4 casters as shown. While one person stands behind the rack making sure that the rolls are deploying smoothly, pull the rolls out in the desired location. Once the roll is completely rolled out, you will need to remove the Velcro tabs used to connect one roll to the next when winding the system up. Unlock the casters and move the rack to the next location. Lock all 4 casters again and repeat the steps from the first roll. The rolls do not need to overlap. They simply butt up against each other as shown. When the system is new, you will need to allow 1/8 of an inch between each roll to allow room for the product to relax and flatten. Once all of the rolls are deployed, you may choose to connect the rolls with the included top hook seaming tape. Touch the top hook tape to the top of the first seam starting at the end as shown. Smooth the end and make sure that it is on straight. Once attached, you will walk the length of the seam touching the top hook tape to the top of the floor covering every 10 feet or so. Once the tape is completely covering the seam, walk down the seam to smooth the tape out and ensure that it is fully attached. Complete the steps until all of the seams are connected. To retrieve the top hook tape, simply roll it back on itself. It helps to walk backwards or with a partner as shown, as it holds the floor cover down while you pull the tape off. Use a small piece of the hook tape to secure the roll once wound up as shown. Store in a dry, convenient place for next time. Intended to be used on all of the seams of your gym floor cover system, the tape is designed to be used over and over. The top hook seaming tape will arrive in 75-foot long rolls. You may need to cut them into increments that work most efficiently with your gym floor cover system. Keep in mind, the fewer short pieces you have, the quicker and easier it will be to deploy and roll back up.